In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on System. Then select Keyboard, Onscreen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, click on Text Correction here and manage all of those options however you want to. You can also click on this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip if it's not already on, to enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. Then you can simply click on this gear icon and access text correction options much quicker. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!